It looks different on the inside.
Going to 2.
Yes. Do you know who makes this?
Big boat.
Ooh.
Probably Bagby.
Yep.
Doesn't run that well.
That's a good. It's got a really good motor on it.
So you're allowed to walk through that hall?
Yeah.
You want to keep walking through the hall?
Yeah, because there's an elevator down there as well.
Alright, so we're going back.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Go this way, right?
Yes.
Alrighty.
Yep. Down first, and it's this one.
So our close button works. Here you're at 1.
Yep. So that would be the parking deck.
Yep.
Underground parking?
Interesting. Going up to 2.
Yes.
It's the basic parking elevator. One of these goes up to a mechanical floor, apparently.
That one.
I imagine it's locked, though.
Should we try it?
I guess we can. Try to get this one here.
It's here.
Oh, it works. Wonder what we're gonna see up there.
Not much.
It tells you a lot about Huntsville. They just don't even bother to lock the floor, did they?
No. This one's got a louder motor compared to the other one.
Or 3.
Not much.
I'm surprised they don't lock that floor.
Isn't that the key switch for it right there?
Right here?
Yeah.
Or right here?
Where the black one is.
This one?
Ooh, squeaky.
This one? Or
Yeah.
this one? Or this one? Top one? No, that's for the fan.
That's kind of a squeaker. That elevator is kind of a squeaker right there.
Yeah. There it goes, and that's it, right?
Yep.
Still.
It should work.
Looks like it. I guess we hit R.
Yeah.
It works.
Yes. Is this considered MRL hydro?
If there's no machine room, then yeah. Well, that's interesting. I don't know if I've seen one of these types of this, of course, with the grocery beat.
And a red light.
I've seen that one, but I've seen that kind before, but not with a grocery beat. Doesn't it sound like a Walmart grocery beep, like when you scan your items?
Yes.
You hear it?
Yes.
Alright, here we are at 1. Alrighty.
Is that your doorbell? Is that your doorbell?
Yeah. Where do you think they are, Dylan?
Check down there.
Alright, start your video.
Yeah, it's on.
Door closed
Broken.
button does not work.
Kind of broken.
Big one.
Ooh.
Looks like the buzz on the indicator is broken.
Yep.
It looks dark up here.
Yeah, I know. Wait.
Oh.
There you go.
This is the concert hall.
Yes. Have you ever been here to the concert hall?
I've not been to the Braun Center very much.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Just haven't. I've been mostly to the. I've been to the BJCC more though.
Hmm.
All right. You know, one, none of these elevators appear to have fans on them. How you doing?
Pretty good. How are you?
Pretty good. Good. That's the machine room. How are you doing today?
I'm all right. How you doing?
Good.
Good. It is good.
Alrighty, enjoy the Comic Con. Alrighty. What's it say right there? Elevator communications failure. Hot in here.
I know. It was actually hotter in the elevator itself.
It's here. Whoa, this thing is humongous.
Yes.
Start by going to B, I guess.
Yes.
Just kind of stinks in here. There's a slow door.
When we get down to B, let the door shut first and then push the button.
Alright. Oh, it is hydraulic.
Yeah.
Takes a minute to level.
Yes.
Looks like a storeroom or something down here.
Yeah.
Door close button does not work. Press 2.
2.
Uh-oh, we're not moving. There we go. Looked like it wasn't moving. Here's your basic service elevator.
Yes.
Feels like you might could almost fit a car in here.
And then we go back down to the metal floor that we came off of. one.
Capacity 8,000 pounds.
Ooh.
So, I mean, you can fit 8,000 pounds in this elevator. They need the fan running in this elevator.
I know.
Alright.
This.
Still leveling.
Yes.
And watch it close.
Yes.
There it goes, and
Yes.
that's it. How are y'all doing? Mike has a remote control or like an RC R2D2 in the lobby.
Oh, that's cool.
And he said he built it himself, so.
Oh, that's so cool. Pull it forward. You're good. I know, right?
How often y'all go to Comic Con?
This is our first one.
First time for me too.
It's fun.
He's one of our event staff here.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
Oh, no.
Alrighty.
Have a good Comic Con.
Y'all too. That's all I've done. It's quite a beep, ain't it?
Yes.
He's getting on it too.
Ooh.
Going down?
Yes.
Going to 1 or 1R?
One. There's a 1R?
Yeah.
Is there
Yeah.
one below that?
Yep, the 1
Out
and
this
1R
door.
are not on the same floor.
I see.
It's my first time at Comic Con. Did you see that R2D2 out
I
there?
did. He comes to a bunch of them and I love it.
Really? Where do they usually go? Like what?
Birmingham is the one, like the main place that we do this.
Alright.
Huntsville's like a recent addition to the
Ah, alright.
schedule. Thanks.
Have a good day. Very social.
Ooh. Did you hear that door?
Yeah. It slammed, didn't it?
Yeah, this one was broken a couple years ago.
Really?
Yeah. Because it was doing kind of like night mode.
Alright, here we are at 3R.
Ooh, double arrows.
Yeah, there's on both sides.
Yes.
And there it goes, and that's it.